So after login to the admin dashboard, if you go to product space, I'm already on the page. Here we have all the things. Go to edit page. So all the things section, row by row, you can see here. This is first row. So if you wish to change a product, simply this is edit element. Click on it. It will open the picture. Now click on edit. If you have to upload the new picture, then you need to select files. You can select whatever you need, or if you already have it in the media library, from here you can choose the picture. After that, click insert into page, then save. The picture you changed, you need to change the name here. After changing the name, click on save. After changing everything, you can see every row can be toggle like this. If you click on the right arrow, it will toggle the content of that row. So after changing everything, click on update, and that's it. But sometimes it can make issue to show the updates immediately on the page for someone who is not logged in. In that case, you need to go on managed WordPress and flush cache. If you do it, then any changes will be visible immediately. And that's it. Thank you.